Just popping up to Exeter. It's about a 25-30 miler today, just along the X trail. Just there's a little track along the canal by the side of the X trail. So a little bit of off-roading, not too heavy. Beautiful day, nice and crisp. First time I put my big gloves on. Just about need them. Gotta be careful here with the swan. Good thing about the handle on here. Hope she's friendly. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, we've got a little clip under the handle there, which you push it down, and you use that little clip there to release to put it up as well. It's a decent trolley handle. We haven't had much rain in the last few days, so the track's fairly dry, which is nice for a change. There are the odd puddles about. Just come up to the little bridge now. It's where you get the Topsham ferry from. Just past Turf Locks, and this little bridge here, you go down to the right and you get the ferry over to Topsham, so it cuts a bit of a ride off, but we're not doing that today. Never actually been on this ferry. I've been on the one from Star Cross. That's normal the path we're on. Let's have a little look, see if the ferry's about. No. So you can see there just ahead. That's where you cross, otherwise you've got to go up all the way past the M5, a place called Bridge Road, and then back to get along the river. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Yeah, done just over 700 miles now on the wheel. But yeah, when I started today, I'd done 702 miles, which is about, what, 1100k. Really enjoying the wheel, love it. I've been trying to start riding backwards, get the tent, a couple of rods out. Happy days. So one side on the left we've got the canal and the River Ex on the right. Little public footpath there, but it does say no cycling, so let's go on this bit. And we're about 3 miles from Exeter now, so I'm just going to pop in there, have a brew. It's quite a nice trail. There is a trail to the right you can do. So there is a trail there I might just get on. Riverside Valley Park. See how we get on. Yeah, nice trail. Further back, when I've been on it before, it's been really rocky. But that was on my old wheel, the V10F. So maybe this one just handles it better. Well, it does. V10F is a bit bumpy. Same size wheel. And the tyre was slightly different maybe. A bit more grip on this one. A little gate here. In one way. You can see the city of Exeter emerging up ahead. It's a lovely cathedral if you haven't been here before. It's a nice city. Ever expanding like all cities. So you can see the canal there on the left. The river on the right again. Just coming into Exeter quay. On the other side of the water there, there's a couple of little coffee shops, bars, restaurants. Perfect for baseball mangoes. One thing about the Inmotion app which really annoys me, keeps disconnecting. So it says I've only done 5 miles. I've actually gone to the wheel, started off on 7:02. Oops. So I've done 15 miles. And this bloody thing, see, just rubbish. And I thought it was because normally what I'll do is run, commute and track my journey. And I thought that was interfering with Inmotion app, but it's not. I think if you lose GPS, it just cuts out. This takes you to the end of the canal, a place called the Weir, because there's a weir there. It's by St David's Station, Exeter St David's. By the mill on the X. That just about ends my video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a like if you have. Think about subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell for notifications for more videos. And you'll see me on the next video.